Cycles and seasons. I mean, what does it really mean to close out cycles and seasons? You know, with cycles, it's a continuous, ongoing, never-ending ship. Let's face it. No matter what person in any aspect we find ourselves connected to, that's a ship. And sometimes our ships become so shipwrecked to where we put so much time into the ship that even though this ship did not make it through some storms, was not able to be repaired after it had hit it tumultuous times, some ships are abandoned. Some ships are wrecked. Some ships has left us in a place where we lament over what we should have done better. But ask yourself, how long do we stay upon an abandoned ship? How long do we stay on a ship that is wrecked? It no longer can go in the water. It no longer can set sail. It no longer can take you from place to place. This ship has been abandoned. This ship has been wrecked. This ship has not been able to usher you at all. And so